button. It's called Epic Fail.
Oh, I have an idea.
Epic Fails.
Jump rope. Okay, is it recording?
Yeah.
Wait, but isn't that...
The camera's on the other side. Sorry if we blocked you with a pole. So don't thumb us down us.
No, I think they block us down.
Let's see. Alright, we're moving the camera, sisters.
Guys, yeah, I think it was just doing the pole.
Yeah, right there. Camera move.
Jump roping. Epic fails.
Yeah! Okay, let's do this next.
No!
Oh, help me! I'm trapped. Don't scream, seriously. Watch this.
Alright, let's try again.
Let me try again.
1, 2.
Watch this. Ow.
Okay.
Try again. Ow, jeez. Try again.
Let's try it backwards because I'm so advanced. Dang it. Alright, you know, I'm going to slow it down and just jump when it hits the ground. Alright, here we go. Do this! Alright, 1, 2,
I'm so tired.
3.
No, I'm joking. I'm joking like Djokovic.
Here we go. 1, 2.
2.
Alright, here we go. 1,
Alright.
2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
See,
That's it for this episode, folks.